Hey, so if you're receiving crank but no start, and you're getting code P0335, then this crankshaft might be the culprit. So let's replace that. Underneath the van, I'm right here. Come on this way. Spray it with some crud cutter. And there's a tab behind this clip that you just kind of lift up and pull out. And how to get my other trusty sidekick, a flathead screwdriver, and pry this sucker out. And isn't that gross? Then all you have to do is grab that new crankshaft sensor, which I'll have linked down below for your convenience, and tighten it up with that 8mm. Plug it right back in. Then watch me do a pistol squat. Now since we installed that part, let's make sure that we installed it correctly and see if it starts. And you're done. If you want to check out the full Astro van build, then check out the episodes on my builds channel, Builds United, link down below.